Oh, so yeah, so it just got a blur anyway. So I hope this is okay. Come on, guys, let's go inside then. Anyway, let me get this, and then I'll do one with Sasha. I don't think she'll play. She doesn't play with the other. She doesn't play well with others. Okay, Joe. The hell, he'll never let go of this. Yeah. Okay, so we got this one. Come on, Joe. Let's go in here. Actually, there's more light out here. Oh, here's the duck. Here's the duck again. That was from the duck. Here's the duck again. How convenient. Yeah. So I took all these sticks out of my... let me close this door. I took all these branches out of my garbage can because I had no room for garbage and it's so hot. I needed room for garbage. As you can see this one. So I took all these branches out and I guess I'll do it. You want to be it? Hey, duck! Duck! What? Alright, so he's going in the other yard.